want to say welcome to Gahar
The
Sky.
Sky View.
And then for about our opening, it will be presented by Mrs. Fia. As we all know that Indonesia is rich country. Why is that? Because Indonesia has famous island, culture, traditional art, and of course endemic food and beverage. We are as Indonesian must save our traditional food and beverage. And one of the way to save our traditional food and beverage is add the flavor variants and make it hit in modern era. But it is still authentic. So in this special occasion, we would like to present to you our creativity art and our menu. So, Madam and Mister,
Welcome to The Sky View.